Today, I'm reviewing National Western Life, a company that has been around for decades in the insurance industry and is mostly known for its life insurance services. When you first arrive at their website, the layout feels dated compared to many modern insurance providers. The navigation is functional but not particularly user-friendly. Finding detailed information about specific policies requires several clicks and the menus can feel cluttered. However, the site does provide a broad overview of different life insurance options, including term life, whole life, and annuities. When exploring their policy descriptions, I noticed that while the information is present, it often lacks clarity for an average user who may not be familiar with insurance jargon. For example, certain terms related to annuities or investment options are explained in a very technical way without much simplification. This could be a barrier for someone new to life insurance or for those comparing providers side by side. One positive aspect is the emphasis on the financial strength of the company. National Western Life highlights its ratings and long history of stability, which is an important consideration for anyone investing in life insurance. Stability reassures policyholders that claims are more likely to be honored in the long term. However, the website does not provide a transparent breakdown of how claims are processed or the average time taken, which could be a drawback for people who value transparency. The customer service contact options are visible, with phone numbers and addresses listed clearly. Unfortunately, there is no modern live chat feature, which is something many competitors now offer as standard. Submitting questions requires filling out contact forms or making calls, which can be inconvenient. In an era when speed and accessibility are critical, this feels like a weakness. As I explored deeper, I found that the educational resources provided by National Western Life are limited. Some insurance companies offer robust blogs, videos, or calculators to help customers understand their needs. Here, the resources are fairly minimal, which may leave potential clients doing extra research elsewhere before making a decision. Many useful links you can find in the description. When evaluating user experience overall, it's clear that the site prioritizes institutional reputation and regulatory compliance over consumer-friendly design. This can be reassuring for someone looking for credibility, but frustrating for someone who wants quick comparisons and easy-to-read explanations. For example, details on premiums are not easily accessible online. You may have to request more personalized quotes directly, which adds another step to the process. In terms of content, the company highlights its international reach, which is somewhat unique compared to other US-based insurers. They emphasize serving clients not only in the United States, but also abroad, which might be an advantage for certain policyholders. On the downside, if you are mainly focused on US domestic policies, the added complexity of international services may not be relevant. While National Western Life positions itself as a financially strong and stable insurer, the overall website experience and accessibility of information do not fully match the standards set by modern competitors. If you value tradition, financial strength, and a long-standing presence, you may appreciate what they offer. But if you prioritize user-friendly technology, quick online quotes, and clear educational tools, you might find this site and its services somewhat lacking. That concludes my honest review of National Western Life and its insurance services. If you found this review helpful and you'd like to see more breakdowns of insurance companies and financial services, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to support the content.